guys, today we're in Bourton on Water in Cotswold. We'll be seeing Birdland, where they're going to show us lots of birds, including penguins, and lots of amazing birds. It's going to be really fun.
This is how the baby stork is standing.
Let's imitate it. This is how it's standing. Yum, 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 eating its feathers. These black and white birds are called Avocet. They were actually extinct earlier before, and then they eventually found 8 pairs. Now their groups are getting bigger, which is quite happy. Their beaks are upturned so they can get insects in the flowing water easily. Look, there's penguins over there. Savia, come!
I found them first, actually.
Look. Penguins can swallow stones to make them heavier so they can dive deeper underwater. And they can also drink salt water and squeeze the salt out of their glands under their eyes. Penguins can't dive that deep. They can only go 45 meters deep because they can only be under the water for a few minutes and they have to take their breaths every few minutes. These are called the Nicobar pigeons. They lay cream-colored eggs and 14 days after they hatch. These are bare-faced curassows and they can reach speeds of 170 miles per hour, but experts agree that it's not the world's fastest bird. These are the white minnow. They look very beautiful. Their white fur is very clean.
Oh,
Fur or feather? Feathers. Let's go see, come on! Flamingos! Look, look, look! Why are there ducks? Oh, look how pink that one is! Whoa! Savia, did you know why flamingos are pink?
No.
Well, it's because of the food they eat. They eat salmon, which is pink in color, so that makes their feathers pink.
This food smells of nuttiness.
Hey, look at that baby one!
Oh, that's
It's staying with the mum.
That's the mom and that's the baby.
Yeah. That one's asking for food from its mum, but its mum isn't giving it any food.
It's over there, man. Look, look.
I know.
It's eating the beak of the mummy.
No, it's trying to ask for food.
Why are they farting, fart? Yeah, I think they just like farting.
That one won't stop asking for food. All the flamingos over there are standing on one leg. Maybe they're sleeping? These are northern ground hornbills. They're really big.
Whoa! Wow! That is a lilac. And it's
A lilac-breasted roller.
lilac.
Yes. The lilac-breasted rollers are from central Kenya. These are small birds. I think they put seating arrangements here because you could watch these for hours. Those hay nests on the ceiling, I think that's what they eat, along with the seeds, of course. Wake up. These are the pink-backed pelicans. They can carry up to 9 liters of water in their beak. In a Roald Dahl book called The Giraffe and the Pelly and Me, there's the pelican, and they're window cleaners, and the pelican, he carries lots of water so they can clean the windows. The giraffe reaches up high so they can clean the tall windows, the higher windows, and the monkey cleans them. Clean, clean. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. These are black-cheeked lovebirds. They're making a lot of noises. They eat grass seeds, a vegetable, and insect larvae. And it even says they're vulnerable in the wild.
Hey, what's art? You have eyelashes. Say whatever you sound like
These are called southern ground hornbills, and they're found in the African savannas, and they eat small mammals, snakes, lizards, insects, and birds. There's 2 giant owls. Hey, come here. In India, owls are considered wise, and in England they're considered foolish and are associated with witches. This is the Indian scope owl, and it looks like it does a lot of poo.
My dad says ulu sometimes. That means owl.
Maybe he means you're really wise, because it means owls are wise, right? Huh?
Are you surprised?
I am. All the owls are very silent birds because when they're flying, they don't make any sound. Unlike pigeons, they're always flapping around, and it helps them catching their prey.
Oh my God!
These are called the snowy owls. They're very beautiful because of their white feathers. These are found in the Arctic, and they can go without food for 40 days. Look at that giant bird! That's so big and colorful. It looks like an emu. Wow! Wait for me! Whoa!
Where he is, he's showing off.
What's there?
These are called southern cassowaries, and they're found in Australia and New Guinea. Their middle toe is murderous because of their nail, which is so sharp it can rip someone's abdomen open. I'm scared of it now. These are ostriches. There's 3 of them. They're so big. Well, my parents kept telling me these are ostriches, but I thought they were emus, so I went to check the board and they were actually emus. But they're the birds that can't fly, but they can run really fast. I've drawn a flamingo before, and it was with one arm. Did you know that flamingos' legs bend forward instead of backwards? The one trying to eat the wood is called a military macaw. There are only a few species in this cage, but there are 387 species of parrots. Hello. So that was it for today. We saw some lovely birds. My favorite bird was probably the emu. Sophia, what was yours?
Rainbow one.
The lilac-breasted roller?
Yeah.
I like that one, but it wasn't my favorite. That was it for today. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.